Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a BMW, guys, and if you have a BMW 1 Series, guys, I'm talking about generation E81 E82 E87 E88, and you're trying to find where your oil pressure sensor switch, okay, also known as oil pressure sensor only, it's located. Stay with us, we will explain that and we'll show you how to replace it. Many of you guys asked us in the comment section below how to find it and where it's located on a 1 Series, because there is very limited information. In the US, 1 Series, the most popular engine is the 128, okay, or this is the N52 engine that has been used in 3 Series, 1 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 and X1, guys. Super popular engine. That's what we'll be working on today. Now, before we start, quick introduction. If you need to buy a new sensor, parts, tools, we're going to share, guys, the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 videos, guys. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, let me show you what we have here, guys. Specifically, this is N52 engine, guys, 3.0 N52 B30 engine, guys. Okay, N52 B30. Now, this right here is your oil filter housing, guys. On some models, on your 1 Series, you may have an oil cooler here, or you may not. It really depends on the model configuration and all that stuff. But this is your oil filter housing, where the oil filter is located. The oil pressure sensor switch will be located usually, guys, okay, next to the oil filter somewhere. And if you look, you have two sensors, okay, but this one on top, that's the one that we need because it's part of the oil filter housing. The oil filter housing bolts to the cylinder head. The bottom sensor, that's a coolant temp sensor, guys. We don't need that one. Now, the one that we need on top, how we remove it, just grab the engine cover, upper engine cover, remove it. We have a video that explains how to remove it, or just pull it a little bit and move it to the side, guys. Okay, so let's do that and later we'll be ready to access it. Okay, perfect. Now, right here, guys, press in and pull the wiring harness out, just like that. Now, there is a special tool, 24mm tool that you use for oil pressure sensors. I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Just lost ours, so I ordered a new one, but it hasn't come yet. And we'll use a regular wrench, but you can always cause damage to the oil filter housing. Once you guys start removing that, make sure that this washer is staying with the sensor and it's not actually attached to the housing itself, because later you might try to stack two washers on top of each other. That's not good. You may develop a major oil leak. So you can see, guys, okay, this is the sensor right here. That's what it looks like. When you're ready, grab the new one, get it tight, put the wire in, install your engine cover, you're ready to go. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.